You should really eat this and eat that. That will give you some weight here and there. And I was like, shut the fuck up. Loved sunbathing. I loved tanning myself and I love the color. चिड़ियाँ आती हैं, वो दो कव्वे सुबह आते हैं, इस टाइम यहाँ बैठते हैं, एक दूसरे से लड़ते हैं, मेरे कुत्ते को छेड़ते हैं. And that would be my routine and I found solace in it. I became just very present. I wouldn't even call him an actor. He can barely pronounce words properly.
How difficult it becomes, yeah, कि बस मुझे यहाँ तक जाना है और फिर डिटैच हो जाओ.
5 रुपए वाली दाल जो मेरा पेट ख़राब कर देगी और आपके शूट को ही मसला होगा, क्योंकि एक बीमार इंसान से आप कैसे काम करा सकते हैं. कब्ज़ कहूँगी मैं is the perfect word actually. I think I've been very well. I've been received well, I would say, which I wasn't expecting. Detached myself from my body. तो मेरे लिए बहुत it was a really hard pill to swallow कि मेरे से चला नहीं जा रहा और अम्मी उठा के मुझे बाथरूम लेके जा रही हैं, या फिर माई हस्बैंड हैज़ टू नाउ इंजेक्ट मी ट्वाइस अ डे एंड नर्स घर आ रही है. एंड देन इवेंचुअली आई हैड टू स्क्रीम. आई वाज लाइक डोंट फकिंग टच मी. सेल्फ हेट जब आप में कम होता है ना, तो आप किसी और की बात सुनने की सलाहियत सिर्फ तब रख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन लाली वी वेंट टू हर चाइल्डहुड. एनीथिंग दैट वाज नॉट ऑन स्क्रीन आई न्यू अबाउट द कैरेक्टर. एंड विक्टिम ब्लेमिंग इतनी होती है दैट nobody ever wants to talk about why हम लड़कियों को क्यों कहते हैं कि शाम को बाहर नहीं जाना.
Exactly. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my podcast. आजकल एल्गोरिदम का ज़माना है, जहाँ भी आप जो चीज़ सर्च करते हो आपको उस तरह की चीज़ें आपकी पोस्ट में आना शुरू हो जाती हैं. और जाहिर है एक आपका अपना माइंडसेट होता है और उसके मुताबिक मेरी फीड में भी बहुत सारे डिफरेंट लोग मुझे ज़िंदगी में नज़र आए और बहुत कम होता है कि आप उस स्क्रोलिंग में कहीं रुक जाते हो. सो आई केम अक्रॉस सच प्रोफाइल कि मैं वहाँ थोड़ी सी रुक गई और उनकी कोई एक स्टेटमेंट लिखी हुई थी एंड आई फाउंड आउट कि शी इज़ अ न्यू एक्टर एंड अ मॉडल. एंड उनकी बात के अलावा there was something about her looks also that I was like, who is this new girl? So मैं उनके पेज पे गई and then I realized कि उन्होंने तो बहुत कुछ किया भी हुआ है. And I just like जो उनके मैंने बाद में इंटरव्यूज पढ़े कि शी इज़ लाइक नॉट pretending anything. वो जो है उसमें ना वो कुछ प्रूव करने की कोशिश कर रही है, ना कुछ डिसअप्रूव करने की कोशिश कर रही है. आई मीन शी इज़ नेचुरल. एंड बाद में खैर माशाल्लाह मैंने एक प्ले में भी हम दोनों का रोल था, तो वहाँ मैंने उनकी एक्टिंग भी देखी, तो हमने इकट्ठे काम नहीं किया था. बट दिस न्यू गर्ल is actually, I think, has a lot of potential and she will go really, really well in this career if she chooses it to be. I'm talking about Mamia Shah Jafar. तो ये था मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन आपसे. सो आई डेंट नो कि आप मॉडल हो. आई हैड नो आइडिया कि आपने एक्टिंग भी किया एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड आई जस्ट
What did you see? What was
I
it?
don't know. There was something about no nonsense or something. I don't even remember. But I just stopped there.
That sounds like
And
me.
the way you were looking, uh, uh, कोई मेकअप भी नहीं है and yet आंखों में काजल भी है. Like someone who's not trying to कि मैं और खूबसूरत लगूं या मैं सादी लगूं. As it was, raw and beautiful, and it just stuck with me. और फिर बाद में आहिस्ता आहिस्ता I came to know about you a lot. तो शुरू करते हैं बचपन से.
Wow. बचपन तो मेरा बहुत interesting गुजरा है. I learned to play with my time alone, myself, because मेरे जो दोनों बहन भाई थे वो मुझसे काफ़ी बड़े थे and they were extremely like dedicated to studying and reading. And I was just not that kid. I was more about sitting in the backyard stairs and talking to the wall because there was no friends. School में जाते थे, दोस्त होते थे, and being a little girl, it was not allowed to us to go to a friend's house or friends to come over. It was a different time, I suppose. अब तो बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं है for younger kids. And then I moved away from the country, made new friends, a lot of sleepovers, a lot of girl time.
When was that?
That was when I was 12.
Okay.
So after my fifth grade, I moved out, and then I was in this.
Where were you then?
Oh, and then I moved to Saudi Arab. So I
All
was in this
right.
collection of all kinds of Arabs, Filipino, Indian, Pakistani, British, American, you name it. It was a great time. I feel like I would have had a really strange experience, and I would have missed out on that exposure if I wasn't there. And that kind of shaped me into, you know, being who I am today. And I felt like I was the only child because मेरी बहन की शादी हो गई और मेरा भाई went to the UK, so it was just me. So my parents were super like focused on this kid now. So yeah, that was बचपन, and then I moved back क्योंकि मुझे पाकिस्तानी दोस्त चाहिए थे.
No, was that your decision
That
or
was
parents?
that was my decision completely. I was very patriotic, and I was like, I have to go back. I want to go to NCA. I want to be a comic artist. I want to make comics. I did all that. I went to NCA. It was just
But why? Because अगर वहाँ पे एक base थी, सब कुछ था भी. So what do you think कि क्या कमी लगी कि I have to be back? And why were you so patriotic?
because you know it was the MSN ka zamana, Facebook ka zamana, so I was making friends on the internet, all these Pakistani people, and then I would and then I was seeing their friendship and how they were, and you know, it's like bachpan ki dostiyan, and मुझे बस feel होता था देख के कि
You're missing out on something?
yeah, I'm missing out on, you know, my people. And
तो identity का कोई
वो तो
crisis था?
हमेशा से मसला रहा है. I just never felt like I belonged anywhere. I didn't belong there. I came back and I did not belong here. That was a shocker. That came like a shocker to me. But I really wanted to just come back and experience it firsthand. And I would say patriotism थोड़ी सी निकल गई out of the door हो गई थोड़े अरसे बाद. But I found some great people, I would say, when I came back.
So your parents are here back?
Yeah, they're now here.
तो कितनी देर यहाँ अकेली रही?
अकेली तो मैं नहीं रही. I moved back. I was with my brother, and then my mom also came back
Okay.
in the same year.
All right.
So she was always there.
So you're back home, sort
No,
of.
I did. Yeah,
Okay.
I was.
फिर क्या हुआ?
फिर यूनिवर्सिटी शुरू की दोस्त बने, and soon in the university I realized that without trying to, I kind of stand out as a human being just because there's a few things that I love and I am passionate about in life. For example, there was dance, and where I would get free time, I would dance wherever I would hear music, that kind of a person. But slowly or eventually वो बदल गया because I felt like I was making other people uncomfortable with how I would perceive life to be, and then they would perceive me in a different way. So I kind of like, you know, you dull your shine down to not get the kind of attention that you don't want. So I stopped dancing, at least, you know, in my university or in a classroom, and then I would stick to it in my bedroom alone, with no audience at all. And then, like, I feel like I was the happiest person that I knew. I was just very fit in life, and everything was just perfect until I lost my brother, and then he passed away, and then that shifted everything in life. And you know, हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में एक ऐसा like a humbling experience, you know, it shows up, and it did. So that kind of really
So the only brother you had?
yeah, the only brother. That really, it changed the family dynamics entirely.
Sure.
It became a rather dysfunctionality in the family, you know.
I mean, this is something you can't deal with.
Yeah.
It takes time.
Yeah.
I do get that.
And then I think I became very like distant and more independent with my feelings because I needed to be the rock for my family, and somebody needed to do it.
And you thought
And
that's
thought,
you.
it has to be me. I mean, I could see that it had to be me, because my mother losing her only son is, especially in our society, I hate to say this, but
But he's a
it is
child.
a truth.
It's a child.
It is her child. I feel like, and then she, like, you know, also he was very newly married and had a 2-month-old.
Oh,
So it was just like, what is going on? And slowly but steadily now, like, we miss him and we talk about him, and you know, we made sure to, all you can do is remember the ones that you know, lost, to love them.
yeah. And mashallah, उनका बेबी भी है and yeah that
He's 10 years old now.
माशाल्लाह
Mashallah.
माशाल्लाह and I know this I mean इस तरह का किसी की ज़िंदगी में जब इंसिडेंट हो जाता है ना that person becomes different
Yeah.
उसके हाथ में नहीं है I mean life has given that person
Yeah.
but अभी initially जब मैं आपको सुन रही थी कि when you were in university you were very expressive right I can imagine full of
Life.
life और जहाँ म्यूजिक है नाच रही है उसको कोई परवाह नहीं
Yeah,
है
yeah.
I mean someone I can sort of relate to from my बचपन कि मैं भी ऐसी ही थी but then somehow we were considered rebels जो हमारी इंटेंशन नहीं थी we just did what we felt like doing and
Yeah.
मेरे लिए तो ये अब नॉर्मल था कि तुम ऐसा क्यों नहीं कर रहे मुझे अपना
Yeah.
आप नॉर्मल लगता था
Exactly. Yeah.
So then, क्यों फिर बंद किया आपने आपको? So because judgment.
Yeah. No. Hands down. I felt like it was not appreciated. Is another thing. I wasn't doing it, so I was appreciated. I was doing it because I just loved it. मतलब मेरा पूरा बचपन, the time I spent in Europe and Saudi Arab, it was both molded in a way where हम दोस्तों का मकसद ये होता था कि हम मिलेंगे और इस गाने पे डांस करेंगे और इस गाने पे डांस करेंगे. That's what we would
In
do.
our times तो entertainment ही ये थी.
Yeah.
आपका बहुत बात का है.
I mean, even for us, it was कि हमने ये गाना करना है, ये गाना करना है, ये उस time
वो move सीखने
वो move सीखने हैं, and it was a big deal. Like that was the fun part
So
of life.
यही वाली personality वहाँ पे judge नहीं होती थी.
नहीं. Being Saudi Arab, I mean,
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, it wasn't judged there. My teachers never, and we were dancing in school, and nobody would ever judge us. Saudi में बारिश बहुत कम होती थी, तो अभी भी I think बहुत कम होती है. तो there was this movie Step Up to the Streets. It was about dance and everything. And उसके एक final sequence में ना एक पूरा एक dance performance होती है, तो वो मैंने पूरी याद की. तो जब बारिश हुई और वो बारिश में होती है performance, so we were like saying to our teacher, can we please go outside and dance? And they're like, yeah, like, you know.
Oh wow.
They understood that this is like young adults and they're, you know, it's their childhood and they didn't want to deprive us of good time. So they're like, well, it's just one lesson.
So either people are scared of having good time, you felt?
I guess. I felt that people are just forced to be so miserable and they're put through tragedy and there's some form of क्या कहते हैं उसको बहादुरी समझते हैं
Tragedy में रहने को. Like I mean things like this. अभी मेरी बेटी की शादी हुई तो हर एक ने हमने डांस प्रैक्टिस.
Oh, yes,
वो
yeah.
रमजान में थी अब.
Yeah.
So obviously रोजे भी रखे, खोले भी, डांस भी किया. फिर जो जिसकी दिल होता है वो करता है नमाज हुआ या नहीं.
Yeah.
All the comments were कि रमजान की तो शर्म कर लो.
Oh my God.
I mean रमजान में कब हैप्पी होना नहीं
मना
होना
है.
एनीथिंग जिसकी आपने एहतराम करने का मतलब है उदास बैठ जाए.
I think that's a cultural thing, and it's only here. It's not in any other Muslim country. It's not in Saudi. It is not in Egypt. It is not in Lebanon. Like it's Jordan. या वहाँ पे आपको ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं देखने को उन सारे लोगों में नहीं मिलती. Or even clothes, I feel like, you know, people would say कि ओ आप अबाया पहनते हैं सऊदी में, but घर पे तो नहीं पहनते. और घर पे क्या बताऊँ आपको कि क्या क्या पहनते हैं
Exactly.
लोग उधर. And it doesn't make sense to me where you would just define a person completely off of one image, like one split second, or like it just always going to be beyond me.
कोई थोड़ा सा एनालिसिस एक्सपीरियंस है मल्टी कल्चर देखा है यूनी कल्चर में आ गई हो तो एनी एनालिसिस कमिंग फ्रॉम समवन ऑफ योर एज एंड एक्सपीरियंस
Analysis over what, for example?
ये क्यों है ऐसा व्हाई दिस खित्ता इज मोर अबाउट के बस कोई खुश ना रहे.
I think कब्ज़ कहूँगी मैं is the perfect word actually. You tell your boys one thing and you tell your girls one thing. You don't prepare them for the world, you prepare them for your household.
Yeah.
And I feel like जो because इतना कब्जी माहौल रखा होता है लोगों ने, तो it gets frustrating. So it gets frustrating for a girl to see another girl live freely.
Yeah. Anyone for
Anyone
that
for
matter.
that matter.
Yeah.
Men, not so much. I don't think that women would feel the same way about men if they were doing whatever they
No,
wanted to
not
do.
at
They
all.
wouldn't.
Because they are allowed.
They're allowed now. And
Only
then,
they can. यही तो मसला है.
yes,
And we are, even women believe that. That's the saddest
that's the
part.
brainwash.
और हर एज में हो रहा है.
बिल्कुल
हर
ऐसे है.
एज में हो रहा है.
Yeah.
बल्कि मैं अभी सफाई कर रही थी, मेरा एक पुराना इंटरव्यू निकला और उसमें मैं बड़ी अच्छी बातें की हुई आज से कोई 25 साल पहले, और वहाँ के लिखा व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ मैन डू यू वांट इन लाइफ, एंड मैंने एजुकेटेड फनी सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर के
Yeah.
साथ पता नहीं क्यों लिखा है गैरतमंद. What was I thinking at that age? I think गैरतमंद
But it-
for me was like
yeah.
someone who is taking responsibility
Accountability.
of accountability.
Yeah.
लेकिन he loves गैरतमंद.
It's वो बस एक ही तरीके से देखा जाता है ना. It's very
Yeah.
one track mind वाला तरीका हो जाता है उसको फिर देखने का. Although it could mean so many
So
things.
many things. Now I realize कि
Yeah.
मेरा क्या मतलब था. खैर anyway मैं relate कर पा रही हूँ तो. अच्छा, अब एक्टिंग पे आते हैं. कैसे हुआ ये, कैसे फैसला हुआ, कब करनी है, मॉडलिंग का किसने कहा?
It just happened so. Modeling भी बस ऐसे सामने आ गई मेरे, और acting भी I guess it was served
Like
to
where were
me.
you moving around? What was your circle where you
I
came
was in
across?
I was in university, and a friend of mine, her friend has a makeup studio, and she's like, "Oh, do you want to like do it?" I was like, "Yeah, sure. Like, you know, we're all young girls. We'll have fun together, getting ready." And so I did it, and then I started getting more queries, and then I was getting paid for it, and I was like, "Well,
And then you realize you have a body and height and
Yeah.
skin for this. and-
it's working out for me,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
why not?" So I continued to do that for a few years, and then just as I graduated, which was 2019, I was in a festival in Hunza, and I came back, and it was a whole fiasco कि Hunza में ये बच्चे गए हैं और इन्होंने ख़राब कर दिया है ये वो, and I was very depressed because of the notion they were spreading.
Who was spreading?
It was people who were not there, basically, who
From university.
no, people who were not there from Pakistan, because there was a big
अच्छा, something
thing.
happening there.
Yeah, something
Okay.
happening there. So FOMO हो रहा था जिन लोगों को, and I don't know if you know this. There's this white woman who was there. I don't even want to name her because it will give her placement. उसने पुरानी अपनी footage उठाई मुक्शपुरी टॉप की और उठा के लगा दी कि हुंजा फेस्ट में ये लोग गए हैं, उन्होंने कचरा मचाया है और गंद मचा के आ गए हैं. The festival lasted 3 days. It brought a revenue of over 2 million to Hunza. And every Hunzai was so happy because it was happening, and you know it was basically so good for their
They're
economy.
fun-loving people.
They
I've
are
been there. They
fun-loving
themselves
people.
are like.
They're so welcoming.
Yeah,
They're,
yeah, yeah.
I would feel
And there is
safer in
economy
there.
is tourism. For
Yes.
them, it's a blessing.
Absolutely. और उसने वो एजेंडा प्रोपेगेंडा पूरा परफॉर्मेंस की, और हमारे पाकिस्तानी लोग ये देख के कि गोरी जो है वो हमारे मुल्क के लिए बोल रही है.
मतलब वही बात जो उर्दू में होती है तो हमें बुरी लगती है,
बिल्कुल.
इंग्लिश में हमें लगता है ये तो बहुत कोई पढ़ा लिखा इंसान बोल रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
Precisely just that, and she was spreading all kinds of rumors that these kids are, you know, doing drugs there, and there's obscene parties happening on the top of a mountain, and we were just some young kids playing music and dancing, and that's it. And it was a whole fiasco, and I was just really sad that, you know, this narrative was being bought by people.
Were your pictures or videos,
Not
anything like that?
It was all like not
So just
really.
being there and listening to all this shit
Yes.
depressed you.
It did really depress me. There was a blurry picture of me, but it really didn't matter to me. It wasn't that somebody who knew me knew that I was there, but it was because it was a lie and it was being believed. It really disturbed me as a person. So I thought, and then I was just hanging out with my clique of friends at that time, which was what's his name, Khakan and Zarar and Natalia, and they're like, "Oh, we're going to Murray, and are you guys ready? We're going to start shooting with Mr. Fahim Birni." And I was like, "Well, that'd be so much fun if I could, you know, like have something to start with, and you know, change my, have a good distraction perhaps and be productive and get to work with friends. How cool would that be?
So you were casted in the play.
I was just thinking.
Okay.
And then a week later, I get a call and they're like, well, the lead actress is nowhere to be found. So we want you to audition.
वो कौन थी? वो कौन थी?
I don't want to say.
Say it.
I mean, yeah, it was actually वो मेरे दोस्त की बीवी है, तो मैं
Doesn't matter.
मुझे नहीं कहना.
She didn't come. She didn't come.
Yeah, no, she didn't want to do it. Her name was Sabina.
Okay.
So I ended up getting the character and then the rest
और उससे
is
पहले कोई acting नहीं की.
Never.
कुछ नहीं.
No.
Only modeling थोड़ी सी.
and that's it. And then the rest is history. And then I got this job in this show called Meesni, in which I did 2 characters, which was I was like, अगर ये मैंने achieve कर लिया, I did 2. If I make people believe that there's 2 different girls, then I perhaps.
So that was a double role.
Yeah.
Okay.
Precisely why I did that show and I said yes to it, and that's even before College Gate came out because Green Channel थोड़े time बाद आया था.
Yeah.
So before that I had debuted in Hum TV and it was very, very well received, that show. 132 episodes, by the way.
Whoa.
It
That
was-
was a soap actually.
It was a
Yeah.
soap, and it was meant to be like 50 episodes, but it ended up doing well, I guess. So they stretched it.
Okay, and then you're an actor. So acting में आने का कोई plan नहीं था.
Not really.
Even modeling में आने का भी नहीं था. But अब आ गया. ठीक है. So let's start with your experience of adjusting in show business. What was your experience? How were you welcomed, appreciated, tolerated, or sometimes not tolerated?
Oh, I think I've been received well, I would say, which I wasn't expecting. I never had a problem on set with anything except for this one time. There was this guy. I think he much like every other thirsty man in our country, saw my profile and thought that I was someone to be fresh with or frank with.
You won't mind.
I wouldn't mind. you
मेरे
know?
कपड़े ऐसे पहनती हो तो क्यों ही mind करेगी?
Yeah, she would probably be okay with, getting too close or being touchy-feely. And I'm not a touchy-feely person. Like, I rarely, like, if I am not like this with you, I am not going to
Likewise,
meet you and hug you.
Can relate.
I mean, it's,
And even if you are,
yeah.
even if you are
Yeah.
not with a stranger, no, there has to be a little.
Absolutely
Yeah.
not. Like, it takes me to call you a best friend for me to like aim for a hug, and that's it. Otherwise, there's absolutely no way we're going to shake hands, and that's.
अब हल्का था ये जो दूर से होता.
वो भी नहीं होता मुझसे
Like
कई
like
बार-
I met you अभी हल्का सा यूं करके.
Yeah, but you're a woman. You
Woman
know.
and
Uh, we-
again.
that's women have their privileges
Yeah,
with me.
yeah.
They always will. But this guy, I'm not. I don't have shame to name him. Like, I think his name is Arsalan. He basically he started to make me feel
Who is he,
uncomfortable.
by the way?
He's absolutely nobody. He's a really I wouldn't even call him an actor. He can barely pronounce words properly. So he started to school me about acting while he didn't do the job himself. And the director is like, listen, आप अपना काम कर ले, वो कर रही हैं. So I was like, finally, glad somebody said something. And then when he saw that I was not very overly friendly and, I would go home, I wouldn't want to spend time after or before, and I would only want to do lines, and that's the only way of speaking to me. I think he got intimidated. Now, either he was gay or either he was very intimidated. I don't know. I was so confused. And this one day, I was speaking to the writer, and and we were talking about Manto being a great writer and whatnot, right? And a feminist writer. And he chimes in, usko pata to kuch tha nahi. He's like, oh, Manto is not a feminist writer. I'm like, what are you saying? Women love Manto. He's like, no, he's not a feminist writer. I'm like, कैसे कह सकते हो? औरतें नफरत करती हैं मंटो से. And I'm like, हाँ, अरसलान अपनी बात कर रहा है. He stood up. And he started shaking his belt as if he wanted to take it off and hit me with it. And he was getting so uncomfortable in his body. And he he started calling me names on set. Okay.
सिर्फ इस बात पे?
सिर्फ इस बात पे. So that's why I think that मैंने उसकी मर्दानगी को, vulnerable सी मर्दानगी को थोड़ा.
ईगो से बर्दाश्त ही नहीं शुरू से हुआ ना.
And I was like, listen, what are you talking about? I was just joking, relax. And he's like, no. Are we that close that you will joke with me? I was like, this is, and then I forgot to give you context. He was talking about my body on set in front of people. He was like, listen, like, you should really, like, eat this and eat that. That will give you some weight here and there. And I was like, shut the fuck up. I mean, it was a visceral reaction of my body to a strange man talking about me in front of people, which was extremely inappropriate. So I just viscerally said, shut the fuck up. And I think he also took that quite badly. उसके 2 दिन बाद कभी मेरी तारीफ करे, कभी वो उसको समझ ना आए, उसे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि वो कैसे, like, he couldn't gauge how to be with me. So, and then this day happened, and then the director's like, you guys have to work together. What do you, like, you cannot be acting like this. अच्छा बस करें, आप अपना scene करें. And then he's like, अच्छा मेरी तो कोई लड़ाई नहीं है, I can be friends with you, come give me a hug. And I was like, please don't touch me. He didn't hear it. And I kept saying it, and I kept taking a step back, and I said it like 4 times, and then eventually I had to scream. I was like, don't fucking touch me. And then he's like, इससे आप मेरी दोस्ती कराएंगे, fucking bitch, fuck off, and whatnot. He lost his mind because I didn't allow him to touch me without my permission. I was like, I don't know how I had the guts. I was shaking, but I was like, no means no. Like, don't touch me. Like, it's just that simple. So that was my only bad experience.
Which was pretty bad.
Pretty bad.
I mean, it's एक ही दफा में सब कुछ तो हो गया.
And then I was very composed, I feel like. Uske baad I learned that I wouldn't even respond to people who are not like-minded.
That's how you start your boundaries, ना, setting your boundaries. आपको experience होता ही है. लेकिन इससे सबसे पहले बात ज़हन में यही आती है कि हमारी आवाज़ क्यों नहीं इनको आती.
Yeah.
And जब हम चीखते हैं, then ये कहती हैं पागल है.
Exactly.
ये क्या फिनोमेना है? बिकॉज इसको ब्रॉडर उस पर देख लो कि अगर हम कुछ लिखते भी हैं, हमें 10 दफ़ा वो बात गुस्से में लिखनी पड़ती है, इवन ऑन ट्विटर और wherever you are trying to argue or anything. हमारी बात कोई पढ़ता भी नहीं और अपना जवाब पहले दे देता है.
That's so true.
Does it happen with women only या सबके साथ आजकल ये हो रहा है? Because I don't think so. मुझे तो इतनी सी भी बात समझ आ जाती है जब कोई कर रहा होता है कि where is that person coming from?
I think it comes from being perceptive. It comes from being, I mean, a lot of this comes from education also. It comes from self-hate. जब आप में कम होता है ना, तो आप किसी और की बात सुनने की सलाहियत सिर्फ तब रख सकते हैं. When you're so indulged in your own insecurities
and proving to be better,
something, or not useless to yourself, that's when you start projecting on other people. और फिर जब self reflection, जब आपको खुद नहीं पसंद आ रहा होता, तो आपको यकीन नहीं होता कि कोई और भी अच्छा हो सकता है, या फिर किसी और का कुछ और मतलब हो सकता है बात का. So I think a lot of it comes from self image.
क्यों कहा जाता है अगर औरत थोड़ी एक्सप्रेसिव है और ना करती है और थोड़ा ऊंचा भी बोल लेती है, मतलब मेरी तो धाड़ बहुत मुश्किल है ना, लिखती में इतनी थी, पर जब मैं कि ये एंग्री है, ये फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है, ये पागल है, ये ड्रामा करती है, ये अटेंशन सीकर है. Why women who are open and frank about whatever is happening to them, उसको नेगेटिविटी ही दी जाती है. और मतलब लाइक और लोग अपने कोट्स बना बना के मेल एक्टर्स खाम खा के लिख रहे हैं और वो कर रहे हैं. एंड व्हेन वुमेन से समथिंग ऑलवेज के इसके पीछे कोई
एजेंडा होगा कुछ.
एंड स्पेशली इफ जिसको ये लोग लिबरल कहते हैं, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी लकी कि अगर ये लिबरल होना होता है तो मैं लिबरल हूँ कि आई कैन से व्हाट आई वांट टू से. माय ओपिनियन कैन बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम माय फैमिली एंड आई एम अलाउड टू गिव माय ओपिनियन. एंड आई गेस ये मुश्तरका ही है हम लोग में.
That's why we're here.
Yeah, and we have men who are behind us, चाहे हम बोंगियां भी मार रहे हैं, and we are accountable अपनी उसका
Absolutely.
उसमें उनका बेचारों का कोई कसूर नहीं.
Yeah.
So I have been considered like an angry woman somehow in this industry. So now when young girls like you are not only doing it professionally really well, because now you've been paid well, this can be a career.
Right.
हमारे ज़माने में होता था एक्टिंग और शादी हो जाए या कुछ हो जाए, उस ज़माने में और कोई करियर की समझ नहीं आती थी.
Yeah.
बट नाउ गर्ल्स हैव लॉट ऑफ मोर ऑप्शंस. क्या अभी भी जो सेल्फ अश्योर्ड और अपनी ये कहने के नो सॉरी दिस इज माय बाउंड्री प्रोफेशनली भी और पर्सनली रिलेशनशिप में अभी भी उनको यही समझा जाता है कि सड़ी हुई है यार, इससे क्या बात.
I think you're right to some degree. अब मैं ये भी नहीं मानती कि आप they say that it's not the words you say but how you say it.
Yeah.
अगर मैं चाहती हूँ कि कोई मेरी बात सुने, so it's science, it's chemical reaction. If I'm going to speak to someone in a perhaps in a tone that I don't want to receive from someone, तो वो बात कम सुनेगा, टोन ज़्यादा सुनेगा. तो जब मैं चाहती हूँ कि कोई सुने तो फिर मैं एक ऐसी ही लहजे में बात करूँगी जो मैं खुद सुनना चाहती हूँ, इस तरह के लहजे में बात. It's like when there's so much noise you can't hear a lot, it's pretty much like that. To come back to what you're asking is कि अभी भी ऐसे है तो I think है. जब आप boundaries create करते हैं, लोगों को मसले होते हैं, वो आपको exploit नहीं कर सकते. And I feel like in our history of our country or any country, I feel like people are exploited. They love to exploit you. And I mean, if you do not leech off of someone, how can you be a successful business person anyway? It's just sad. It's a sad reality. So जब आप boundaries create करते हैं तो आपके हिसाब से जब चीज़ें होती हैं तो वो it becomes more of a give and take when they also have to put in effort, they also have to compromise, they also have to do things according to you for you to want to work with them. And sadly enough, there are a lot of struggling artists out there who would give in and they become an easier bait to work with. And when they become an easier person to work with, then people who are creating boundaries then become pagal or then become aggressive.
उसको नहीं लेना यार, वो तो
हाँ,
बड़े नखरे
नखरे उसके
बड़े
बहुत हैं, बल्कि
और नखरा
simple
सिर्फ
human
टाइम
rights.
पे ये करना है,
हाँ.
ये मैंने मांगा है तो
I
ये
just
मुझे
want to be a bit more organized. Stop feeding me like 5 रुपए वाली दाल जो मेरा पेट खराब कर देगी
Yeah.
और आपके शूट को ही मसला होगा, क्योंकि एक बीमार इंसान से आप कैसे काम करा सकते हैं.
And nobody is asking like for impossible on sets. We also know our
Absolutely,
worth.
absolutely.
लेकिन इतनी सी भी बात है ना, it goes from people serving you to the ups, producer, मालिक,
Yeah.
चैनल का, and it's so petty कि इतना बड़ी बात बन जाती है सिर्फ इस
Absolutely.
पे कि भाई मुझे तंदूर की रोटी नहीं खानी, मुझे घर की प्लीज चाहिए.
Yeah, it's a health, like we take it for granted.
Yeah.
It's literally livelihood. Do you not want your artists to perform better?
But I think इसमें actors की unity बहुत ज़रूरत है.
Absolutely, वो
These
नहीं
are
है.
certain rules जो कि अब बन जाने चाहिए.
I agree.
Like जैसे child artist है तो उसका एक time है जिससे ऊपर नीचे rule हो के नहीं होना.
नहीं होना चाहिए.
That again was such an agony for me while working with young children. कि मुझे लगता था ये अल्लाह भी तब से यहाँ बैठे, मैं तो अपने बच्चे को यूँ बैठता हुआ नहीं देख सकती.
Also, the
तो
way
मैं
they treat
guilty, इतना
the
guilty
younger,
feel, oh they are treated so badly.
they're not treated right. I mean, they are taken for granted कि वो आया हुआ है, अच्छा बच्चा इसने क्या कहना है तो ये बैठा रहेगा.
बस
और
मैकडॉनल्ड्स का बर्गर दे दो.
और कभी बेचारा सीन किए बगैर चला जाएगा.
I know.
And I would just be like, why is it not organized? Like, it's not that it's not possible. And then I worked with people who made it happen. I mean, उनको उस हिसाब से बुलाया जा रहा है उस
हाँ,
टाइम
these
पे
are not
बुलाया.
impossible things. These
These are
are
very
very,
simple
very
things.
basic, easy things.
Simple thing.
Okay, so things are better yet क्योंकि तुम काम कर रही हो.
हाँ, I have made sure to not put myself in a position where I am not understood or appreciated.
Yeah.
That's very important. If you're not appreciated for what you're called there for, then there's no need for me to be there. That's something that I...
अब एक्टिंग प्रोसेस पे आते हैं, सीखी तो नहीं थी, तो व्हाट वाज योर मेथड? एक रोल ऑफर हुआ है तो उसको उस कैरेक्टर में जाओगी या उस कैरेक्टर की साइकी को डायसेक्ट करोगी with your own, like ये character है. So what's your process?
I think it depends. I do both. It really depends on how much time I have to come up with the psyche of the character. For example, in Lali, we went to her childhood. Anything that was not on screen, I knew about the character. कि उसने porn कब देखना शुरू किया. It's not discussed at all, but I just wanted
So
to
you
know.
had this in deep down
Yeah.
कि उस एज पे ये इफेक्ट हुआ था तो
हाँ,
अब उसका
and
ये
now
result.
that's why she's the way she is, and I think I learned some of it from Sarmad as well. Like, he organized the method for me. I would do it in my own more chaotic way. कि अच्छा no, this is this kind of girl, that kind of girl, but and then penning it down. Honestly, it makes all the difference. I mean, it might be like old school, but there's a reason why people did it. So like. Method to madness, Joanna. Wo Sarmad really helped me out there as a director. So I do that, but sometimes, most of the times, it's what I've seen. What I've seen in people, I pick up different traits from what I have seen in people, and I make that character. For example, there was this character Hania that I did, and she's like a bookworm. She wants to like achieve something for her mom and her sisters. She wants to have a healthy living, and she's very sharmili. She doesn't want to talk to strange men. My sister's just like that. So I embodied her to be that character. So it's basically just being observation. Yeah, like
And
very
being able to
be
use
present.
it.
Yes. Yeah.
ये सबसे बड़ी बात यही है. Like अभी अब लाली का मैंने देखी तो नहीं.
अभी आई नहीं है.
Exactly. So obviously I know Sarmad और बहुत अच्छा हमारा दोस्त है, and what a sensitive and brilliant
Absolutely.
artist and director and writer and everything. तो वो तो मुझे समझ आ गई कि उसने तुम्हें किस तरह लेयर बाय लेयर किया होगा. बट जब इतना ही सेंसिटिव डायरेक्टर होता है ना तो उतनी ही इन्वॉल्वमेंट भी आपकी, यू स्टार्ट लिविंग दैट थिंग. एंड व्हाट आई हैव हर्ड अभी तक के लाली में बहुत लेयर्स थे. बहुत डार्कनेस थी, और उसमें जाना स्पेशली विद समवन लाइक यू, हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट बिकम्स. या यू नो कि बस मुझे यहाँ तक जाना है और फिर डिटैच हो जाना.
I thought I knew. Very honestly, I thought that, you know, when they call cut, I am myself again. But when you're so involved, and I hadn't really set a bar, because honestly, in that film, you could not have set a boundary. It requires you to go very within, very inwards. So I did. मैंने कर ली film, बहुत मज़ा आया. अब कुछ महीने गुजर गए हैं और मैं कुछ topics पे frustrate हो जाती हूँ और मुझे गुस्सा आता है. And then I realized it not a few months ago, just by the way, that it was coming from Zeba, the character. I had embodied her, and she started living in my subconscious so much that her reality became mine, and I was stuck in her darkness that I was not aware of why I am being angry at things that I don't personally relate to. For example, if someone would talk about, you know, like violence against women, I mean, it would always make me frown, and it would always put it has a negative connotation. Obviously, that's unsaid, but the way my body started reacting to it, I felt like that was coming from because the character went through something like that. And it wasn't something that I was aware of, which was dangerous, I think.
So you lived her experience, the character's experience, or a more personalized reaction.
Absolutely.
कि मुझे तो पता है
Yeah.
कि क्या होता है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that became, I had to just be aware, and when I became aware, I was like, oh, अब मुझे at least पता तो है, so I can now work on how to get out of this, which is not my reality.
Okay, while choosing characters, someone like you, क्या कोई type होती है character की जब choose करती हो? Because मुझे अब like ऐसे लगता है कि जो भी मामिया कैरेक्टर करती है वो स्पेशल होता है, अगर अब मैंने रिसर्च के मतलब. लेकिन मुझे लगता है उस वक्त जब मिला था वो एक नॉर्मल कैरेक्टर ही होगा. इट्स द वे यू डिड इट.
I don't know, honestly. It's this I mean, when I did my first show, Meesni, I did it because it was 2 characters, you know. It was because I wanted to prove to myself that
उसमें कोई स्क्रिप्ट या मैसेज और वो से ज़्यादा इट वाज लाइक
me and the director, we did rewrite a lot.
वो तो हम बैठ के करते
ठीक
हैं
है।
सीन से पहले
कुछ बहुत प्रॉब्लमेटिक उसमें चीज़ें भी थी जो कि हमारी ही इंडस्ट्री के खिलाफ जा रही थी. So I was like, we can't do that. You know, we can't be unfaithful to what we're
yeah.
doing. So that one I did purely because it was 2 characters and it was my first gig. But then uske baad, I just wanted to make sure that the story that I'm going for is sellable. The story is something that I'm interested in. The story is something that I want to know about. And I mean, I don't think that I have gotten, अभी तक जो मैंने characters किए हैं उनमें से एक या 2 के अलावा मुझे कुछ समझ आया था उस character में, like कुछ मुझे character की वजह से किया था.
सेलेबल यू मींस के हिट होना चाहिए.
Sellable as in, no, actually, that's not a correct term. Sellable as in कि मैं देखना चाहूँ कि स्टोरी के एंड पे क्या हो रहा है.
मामिया देखना चाहिए.
हाँ.
तो मामिया क्या देखना चाहती है? व्हाट इन टेलीविजन, चलो वर्ल्ड ओवर, गिव मी एग्जांपल few shows who's recently blown you away.
I feel like there was Saifi Hassan's show. It was like a smaller one. I think it was called, oh my God, it was there was Seher Khan in it, and there was Shuja Asad. It was about, you know, the boys who were burnt.
Okay.
That show really moved me, and I was really happy to see it because it was, you know, beyond Saas Bahu, Pehli Shadi, Dusri Shadi kind of.
It was about an incident.
It was true in its nature, you know. It was trying to bring some form of reality to your TV in whatever way that they could. And then Abhi ek thi Pakiza spin.
बीगल तो खैर, I mean, मैं आंखें बंद करके उसका स्क्रिप्ट कर लूँ.
She's
The one
she's so good.
writer जिसका मुझे हाँ कहने से पहले स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Yeah.
I trust her so much.
Yeah, I mean, that's how you really rep yourself as a writer, and you're writing something of substance.
Yeah.
You know? So, and then I think it's sabse pehle, before even being in the industry, it was the first drama I ever saw was Baghi. It was Sabah Kamar. And,
Oh yes.
And it was about Qandeel Baloch.
Qandeel Baloch.
And I sat through the whole show, and what a piece of art. Like, I feel like it was so brilliantly and casually just effortless. Like, it was a good show. So Farar was one of those shows where I decided, I mean, usse pehle jo maine show kiya tha, I did it because out of the goodwill of my heart, and I decided that I'm not going to do anything out of goodwill of my heart, because then I will start hating acting.
Yes.
Because I have to be passionate and believe in whatever I'm doing. So then I did Farar. Farar I believed in, although I did not think my character was of much substance.
वो स्क्रीन पे लगा कि
पढ़ते हुए मुझे लगा.
But still you wanted to be part of this script.
Yes.
जैसे मेरा तो मेरे ख्याल से 3 दिन का काम था. और I think कोई 6 scenes होंगे. But I knew from my experience कि this is going to be a good play.
Yes.
Because magnificent script, technically भी और scientifically भी और emotionally भी.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So आप कर लेते हो और आपको पता होता है कि
You want to be a part of something that is
exactly कि राइटर पीछे कौन है, डायरेक्टर कौन है, प्रोड्यूसर्स कौन है, कास्ट में कौन है. Sometimes this all makes your decision easier क्योंकि आपको ट्रस्ट होता है कि अच्छा इसमें सोहाए भी है, इसमें मामिया भी है, इसमें हमजा भी है, ये तो अच्छा काम ही करे. So आप और कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं चूज करने में. एंड देयर फ्यू डायरेक्टर्स जिनका पता है, जिसमें सैफी भी हैं, जिसमें नदीम बेग भी है, जिसमें काशिफ निसार भी है. सो यू नो एक उससे भी रेपुटेशन से भी बन जाता है. तो आपकी भी एक बन गई है डिफरेंट रोल्स करने की. तो अब ऑफर ही डिफरेंट होते हैं या सब होता है?
सब होता है. और मोस्टली ज़्यादातर जो मैं नहीं करती वो ये होता है कि एक लड़की है, उसको 2 लड़कों को उससे प्यार हो गया, उसको 2 लड़कों से हो गया, एक अच्छा था एक बुरा था. I'm just like I'm sorry.
It is so unreal. ये नहीं होता, ये कहीं नहीं होता.
And you know what? होता भी हो, ठीक है, होता भी हो, पर इतना देख लिया है आपने, इतना कर लिया है.
नहीं, इतना तो नहीं होता जितना दिखा रहे हैं.
हाँ, और मतलब देखने को ही खाली रेशियो बहुत खराब
हाँ,
है ना।
कहाँ ये हो रहा है कि दो लड़कियां और एक लड़का मर रहा है और एक बुरा है और नो इट कैन लास्ट ओनली फॉर अ वीक मे बी द कंपटीशन देन यू हैव टू डिसाइड
You always know. The thing is, it might just like take forever, but you know. And even if it is happening, but that's not the only thing that's happening in the world now. So show something else.
Yeah.
So when you're getting 6 scripts and all 6 of them either have 2 girls, one guy, 2 girls, or 2 guys, 1 girl, like whatever is going on, why does it have to be so entangled around just 2 marriages? ठीक है. Why cannot it be a story about realism? Why cannot, I mean, there's so much inspiration you can take from.
Oh my God, अब तो ये जो
So
गैजेट हाथ
much.
में आ गया है एंड दिस इज द एरा जहाँ पे ना यूनिवर्सल जिसे हम सेंसिटिविटीज कहते हैं ना वो एक जैसी होनी शुरू हो गई है इवन इफ यू आर वाचिंग अ जर्मन शो
Yeah.
एंड अ कपल गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग देयर यू कैन नाउ रिलेट टू with all the sensibilities as well.
Yeah.
ये थोड़ी सी ना इंटरनेशनल वो हो गया है कि किसी भी मुल्क का जो शो आप देखते हो तो आप अपने आप को भी देख सकते हो उसमें और उस दौर में when you look at your plays like 75% of them आपको लगता है कॉमेडी चल रही है even in camera work, even in lighting, even in looks, even in kapras, even how you're standing in the bedroom and in the drawing room. It's so
Unreal.
अनरियल एंड अब तो इतना क्लीशेड वो लगने लगा है कि पाकिस्तानी ड्रामे का एक स्टेज है जैसे और वो आपको नजर आ
सब लाइन में खड़े हुए हैं, सब
मतलब और जगह लेनी है कैमरे में भी आना है वी हैव बीन देयर ना सो आई कैन टेल ये क्या हो रहा है
Yeah.
ये वही हो रहा है कि टाइम कम है सीन करना है सबको खड़ा करो और ले लो क्लोज ले लो एक मास्टर ले लो और ख़त्म करो
Yeah.
सो अच्छा मैं जिससे अंदाज़ा लगाना चाहती हूँ लाइक इंटरनेशनल शोज में से रिसेंटली कौन सा कोई बड़ा ही अच्छा लगा
मैंने अभी एक शो री-वॉच किया है और वो मैंने लास्ट एपिसोड उसका 2 साल पहले छोड़ दिया था क्योंकि वो ख़त्म हो रहा था और
Oh, you're one of me. Those
आई वाज लाइक कि ये ख़त्म हो जाएगा तो मैं क्या करूँगी?
depression of
तो मैं ये छोड़ देती हूँ ताकि मुझे शुरू से देखना पड़े। फिर मैंने अभी इसको रिसेंटली व्हेन आई वाज सिक, आई वाज bedridden and I started rewatching it and it's called Sopranos.
all right.
And I was like, oh wow, this is so comforting and there's such detail और वही सारी चीज़ें हैं जो यहाँ पे हो रही होती हैं।
Exactly.
वही सारी गुंडागर्दी है, वही सारा उसकी बीवी के मसले, वो बाहर अफेयर चल रहा है, जो भी है।
It's so
लेकिन
convincing.
it is so like there is the devil in the detail.
Yeah.
They have captured that. It's
I mean,
nothing is superficial.
मैं रात को वो देख रही थी HBO पे Staircase.
I haven't seen it.
Oh, it's about that a man, I think Michael Peterson or something character का नाम है, who was accused of murdering his wife.
Okay.
वो सीढ़ियों से गिर गई थी अब उसको जब उन्होंने सीरीज में कन्वर्ट किया है तो मियाँ बना है कॉलिन फर्थ
Oh wow, okay.
और बीवी बनी है टोनी कोलेट
Okay, I don't know.
I mean she's an Australian actor once you see her you'll be blown away भाई मैं 8 घंटे हिल नहीं सकी
Okay. How many episodes would you? 8
8
episodes?
episodes yeah amazing और उस पूरे इंसिडेंट्स में पूरी फैमिली के डायनामिक्स पीछे आगे while going the detail the emotions the acting फिर अपना हम क्या कर रहे हैं हम तो डायलॉग्स की उल्टी कर रहे होते हैं मुझे ये फील होता है
हाँ, वैसे कोई बात भी नहीं ना करता है, मसला ये सारा ये है। हम बहुत कैजुअली आप और मैं जैसे
देखिए
बात
क्या
कर रहे
लग रहा है काम अब
बेहतर हो रहा है।
जल्दी से बेहतर होना शुरू हो
हाँ,
गया है ना पहले बहुत देर लगती थी
Yeah, I think there was a really sad period where formula पे भी बन रही हैं चीज़ें और उस पे भी देर लगती है, but at the same time now you're getting to see stories and acting that is worth watching.
मतलब हर महीने में 1-2 ऐसी चीजें आ जाती हैं जो अच्छी होती हैं
Yeah.
और बहुत अच्छी होती हैं
Yeah.
सो आई थिंक इसमें मुझे नज़र आ रहा है कि यूनिवर्सल जो दुनिया अब हो रही है तो थिंग्स जल्दी ठीक होएंगी
I hope so.
मुझे ये लगता है और होपफुली ऐसा ही हो बीमार कब हुई व्हाट वाज दैट
I think 2 years ago, it started very mildly, just stiffness of my feet in the morning. That's where it started. And then it started to grow through my body. And I feel like मैंने break नहीं दिया अपने आप को. I was like, oh, I can work through anything in life. I have gone through so much. So ये क्या है? Like, it's just, well, it's some pain in the body. And I never gave myself time to take a break, to take a breather. And I just wanted to, I don't know what I was more scared of, not working or taking a real break and just spending time with myself. So actually, जब बीमार जिसको कहते हैं कि visually और I became a hospital was last summer. I was on Zanjeerein ka set. I was in the show. Now it's coming out. I'm not in it. And I was there. It was my first day. And उससे बिल्कुल पहले मुझे ज़िंदगी की पहली food poisoning हुई. So I came a day later to the set. And I was really sick, and it was 8 days of just throwing up and being in the bathroom. And I go to set, and I'm drained of energy. I'm not looking like myself. And kudos to Mr. Shazad Kashmiri. I feel like he saw and he clocked it. There's like, he's something really wrong, chronically wrong with you. And then my speech started to swell up. So I have to thank him honestly for my life क्योंकि वो काला बाग में शूट था 3 घंटे दूर कोई भी हॉस्पिटल होता. And I was so close to a stroke that when I came back home, I went to the doctor and they were like immediate biopsy, and they did my kidney biopsy, and the next day I had a reaction to an antibiotic, and I went to a different doctor just because like I thought that मेरा doctor जो है पिछले साल से वो कुछ बेहतर तो कर नहीं रहा, तो I'll just finally go see a doctor that is, renowned for autoimmune. So I went to see
By
her.
then you knew that you have autoimmune
Yeah, I knew I had one autoimmune by that time.
That is lupus.
I did not know I had lupus by that time. I thought I had Sjogren's disease, which is a dryness of eyes.
Dryness of eyes
Yes.
and mouth. Okay.
So I then went to her. She ran a few tests, and I showed her जो मैं हर 3 महीने अपने करवाती हूँ regular tests.
अब वो क्यों करवाती थी?
Because it's autoimmune, so you need to keep things in check. So if it's getting bad or better, and so she saw it and she's like, "Yo, you have lupus," and I'm like, "No," and I knew about lupus because it's one of the deadly ones, and then she's like, "Okay, now we're gonna have to run a few more tests." So she's like, "Get up and lie down on this, the stretcher," and I did. और मुझे उसमें सांस चढ़ गया, उठ के लेटने में. And so my doctor's like, "Why are you breathless?" I'm like, "I don't know, but I've been this way for quite some time." And she was like, "Okay." And then I thought to myself that this is the first time she's like, "Oh, you've been in so much pain. We're going to fix you." This is first time someone recognized that, oh, it was pain and I was just fighting through it. So something shifted in me, and then I was like, oh, I have to get better. And then flare, but it started getting worse, and then I found out that my heart condition is really bad, and there was like a clot in the heart artery, and a ratio of D-dimers is supposed to be on 500, maybe 44,000 pithi, or it was just, I stayed in the hospital.
So system was haywire.
Haywire, my lungs had collapsed.
So your body gave up eventually. You had been fighting it for so long that it came a point that
it was like, oh, you're not listening? Well, we're going to have to shut down. So my kidneys were leaking. Any nutrition I was eating, it was leaking it. And my lungs had collapsed. My heart had a clot. My skin started to face this vasculitis. So anytime I would stress a lot, it would appear in like red dots all over my body.
Gotcha.
So it was just, I was a hospital. And I did not it became about surviving. Whether or not, it wasn't about, oh, mere show nahi kari main, wo wala show nahi kari main. I was doing one of, these really good shows that, we're talking about that you would want to be a part of. And it was, none of that was on my mind. And it was just that I cannot die. Like, because the doctors were pretty blunt, and they were like, you're not getting better. Why is, like, you're a special case? And the way they would communicate with one another, and like puri meeting बैठती थी हर हफ्ते, and I was getting pricked every 8 hours. They were taking blood tests to see if something is working with this girl or not. in the end, the cancer medication worked on me, and
That was the only
that was the
solution
only
left.
solution left, really. And thank God, really, Alhamdulillah, it worked on me. And ever since, like, there's 2 doses that you need to do, like 1 month, and then uske agle mahine karni hoti hai. So I did that in my, sweet time in CCU. I was so accustomed to being in the hospital that my husband would like bring lamp घर से, क्योंकि वो सफ़ेद लाइट होती है, वो अलग से depressing होती है.
I know.
So he would bring lamps, and we would watch, and then we started watching Better Call Saul, and I finished the show in the hospital, and घर से खाना आ रहा है, मेरे लिए salmon बन रही है, because the food is now like super
So
like.
it was a routine for you being in hospital.
Yes, and I started to find solace in it. I started to find the importance in being able to wake up every morning, and I started waking up at 7:30 in the morning, and sleeping by midnight maximum, and it was very, very hard. I detached myself from my body, because I have been an athlete all my life, hiking, rock climbing, and dancing since I could walk. तो मेरे लिए बहुत it was a really hard pill to swallow कि मेरे से चला नहीं जा रहा, और अम्मी उठा के मुझे बाथरूम लेके जा रही हैं, या फिर my husband has to now inject me twice a day, and nurse घर आ रही है. Like it's so surreal when I think about it. So it took a like hit to my ego in a way where I want to die in my boots, like चलते चलते आ जाए. Now I understood what my mother used to say, that
चलते फिरते जाए.
चलते फिरते जाना है, because it just really takes a toll on your mind when you can't move, and you have to go through such immense pain to get up, or like karvat, or it was just so strange to now come out of it. मैं हर सुबह उठती थी, और क्योंकि मुझे धूप में अब जाना अलाउड नहीं है, lupus is aggravated through direct sunlight, and I love the sun, and like I loved sunbathing, I loved tanning myself, and I love the color, and now I have to evade all of that. तो मैं इस तरह चादर लेके धूप में बैठती थी, और बस चिड़ियाँ आती हैं, वो 2 कौवे सुबह आते हैं, इस यहाँ बैठते हैं, एक दूसरे से लड़ते हैं, मेरे कुत्ते को छेड़ते हैं, and that would be my routine, and I found solace in it. I became just very present and very happy with whatever time I have left.
You have a lot of time left, don't worry.
Yeah.
देख लेना, because I think वो जो basic instinct था तुम्हारा survival का,
वो उस वक्त ऐसा
वो
किक
आ
इन हुआ
गया
था.
अब, and अब तुम नहीं छोड़ोगी.
No, I hope not.
आप खुद ही अपनी हेल्प कर सकते हो.
Yeah.
To be very honest,
That's
and
very, very
it's
true.
better you learn your lesson,
Yeah.
and you start listening to your body.
Yes.
Because if you know me, मेरे channel पे I've talked about a lot about women health and general health and problems जो जिंदगी में आती हैं. Only one thing, start listening to your body.
Yeah.
सबसे पहले ये है. It's a rare disease lupus, लेकिन बहुत लोगों को है भी, और
Yeah.
बहुत actors को भी है, and they are doing wonderful in life,
Yeah.
और लोगों को aware भी कर रहे हैं. So maybe
I've become the ambassador of lupus
ambassador of lupus, and you can help people, and nothing is more satisfying
than helping.
that.
Yes, no, that's
Being
a
there,
healing process
yeah.
in itself.
मेरे ख्याल से इसमें सबसे इन चीज़ों में होता है जब आपका कोर एक सपोर्ट ग्रुप बन जाता है of any problem you go through.
That's so true. That's very
Even
true.
if it's Me Too movement, when women come out together, it's sort of
therapeutic,
catharsis and
yes.
therapeutic, and then आपको लगता है यार नहीं मेरा कसूर नहीं था, सबके साथ ये होता है. मैंने कोई कपड़े ऐसे नहीं पहने हुए थे, या उसने अगर मुझे ऐसे समझा था तो उसमें मेरा कोई कसूर नहीं था.
उसकी अपनी सोच है.
उसकी अपनी सोच है, लेकिन ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा देर बाद समझ आती है. फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम आप यही सोचते हैं, हाय मैं ऐसी
What did I
लगती
do?
हूँ
Yeah.
कि लोग समझते इट्स ओके फॉर देम कि मुझे यूं करके गुजर जाए. सो इट्स मोर अबाउट योरसेल्फ.
Yeah.
ये बहुत बात
And
में
victim blaming इतनी होती है that nobody ever wants to talk about why हम लड़कियों को क्यों कहते हैं कि शाम को बाहर नहीं जाना.
Exactly.
क्योंकि आदमी है बाहर.
और ये बात हमने इतनी दफ़ा कही है, सब फेमिनिस्ट ने, सब औरतों ने, मर्दों ने भी, जिनको समझ आती है. पर जवाब वो सुनते ही नहीं है
उनको
कोई।
समझ ही नहीं आता,
इसके
they can't
आगे
process it.
डिस्कशन जा ही नहीं रही,
Yeah.
वहीं स्टक है।
Yeah.
सो इट्स अमेजिंग टाइम्स। बहरहाल अब मैं बात करती हूँ कि फ्यूचर प्लान्स क्या हैं बिफोर वी एंड today's interview.
Okay. Future plans is that's a very interesting question. I don't know, honestly. I'm trying to take one thing at a time, Abhi.
Anything exciting you're looking forward to?
I'm excited for the things that I've done to come out now. Okay. I am.
जिसमें है
इसमें एक तो लाली है. You know, I want my people, us, to watch it.
exactly celebrate it.
Yes, and then I have Fatma Jinnah. I'm really, really excited for
Oh
that to come
wow.
out.
So you're playing the young Fatma Jinnah.
No, I'm playing Rati Jinnah.
Oh, the wife.
The wife.
Oh.
The life of the party. I feel like it's one of my
I'm-
favorite characters that I've
And
done
I
so
can
far.
imagine you're looking like that Parsi
Yeah.
blouses and your
Yeah.
face. Oh wow. And who's playing Jinnah, young Jinnah?
The young, well, Jinnah, I think we only have one Jinnah so far, so he's doing old and.
And young.
And
the
it's
name
Amir-
is Amir
Amir Qureshi.
Okay.
Yeah.
And of course, Ruti Dai is young.
Yeah.
Yeah. So who's playing Fatima, young and old?
She is this, she's a non-actor but a brilliant actress, I have to say. Shamim Hilali was also in the show, so we were doing something together, and she said that she's embodied Fatima. So I would take her word for it because she's a very well-researched woman
So
as
you
well.
didn't have any scenes with her?
I do. I've got a lot of work with her actually, but that's how I can say that she's brilliant. Like, she's a very natural actor and very like precise, nothing more, nothing less. Like I cannot imagine
Because
anyone.
acting is also about intelligence, mathematics,
Yes.
observation and exposure.
Yeah,
So yeah.
she's good.
तो ये आ रहा है where?
We don't know yet. I think we don't want. We're not sure if we want to have it on TV. Actually,
It's a series or a film?
series. So there's 6 seasons. We've just done season 1.
Whoa.
And it's a commitment and a half. I will probably, because you know Rati does not get old
Yeah.
naturally, so I will not be as committed as the other actors, but there's a lot of work to do, and it's a really fun place to be. That
So
set.
who is producing it? I mean to say that.
The director is also producing it, and I mean it's got a bunch of sponsors now. But it's like a young guy, Daniel Afzal. He came from America out of nowhere, and
He started
he
this.
just started this.
And it might go.
It's an ensemble cast thing. Like he has everyone and all these locations. 1800s ki sari locations where I would probably not have gotten a chance to go and witness and like be in.
It's a well researched, documented
Yes,
script
yes.
and production.
Yes.
And ये आना कहाँ है अभी नहीं पता. It can be.
We're hoping it's Netflix, if anything.
I really
Really,
hope so.
really hoping
hope
so,
so.
yeah.
Amazon, Prime,
Yeah.
whatever.
Yes.
So you're looking forward to
I'm looking
coming
forward.
these two projects.
Yes. And then I'm now acting. I'm going to start acting next week in this new film, which we will hear about very soon, hopefully.
Okay, inshallah.
Inshallah.
So acting करनी है जब तक होनी है, अपना ख्याल रखना है
Absolutely.
हमेशा.
Yes.
And girls like you make us seniors very proud.
Wow.
Seriously, because what I think our generation started fighting, okay, showbiz is like any other
Absolutely.
business, जिसमें जो capable है आ जाता है. It certain कोई
Stigma
टीका
नहीं.
लगा नहीं होता कि जब टीके लगते हैं तो सब showbiz में चले जाते हैं. So that fight का result जब आजकल के जो बच्चे आ रहे हैं, be it you, be it Myra, Hania, everyone working these days,
Yeah.
जो उनमें ज़्यादा एक confidence है ना अपना, जो कि जाली नहीं है, which
Yeah.
comes
From within.
के हमने अब अपने आप को थोड़ा बेहतर हैंडल कर लिया. इतनी आसान बात नहीं रह गई अब.
Yeah.
So ये हमारी फाइट की जो कंटिन्यूशन आप लोगों ने इस मकाम तक लेके आए हो, I mean hats off to you girls, and thank you so much for being who you are, and I really wish you all the best not only because I met you and I've started really liking you, because genuinely you deserve it, and girls like you need to be at the top for being voice of our generation, of coming generation, and your generation.
I just really, really appreciate it. I'm humbled, like, just being known and appreciated for being real and original.
So hopefully see you on big screen. मुझे लाली के प्रीमियर पे ना बुलाया,
घर आके आपको मिठाई दूंगी।
और मैं तुम्हारे साथ बैठूंगी।
Done.
तो इसके साथ ही मुझे इजाज़त दें, और बहुत जल्द मैं आपकी खिदमत में फिर हाजिर होंगी। Until then, take good care of yourself. खुदा।